Making mistakes is an important part of life. We learn from our mistakes. Mistakes are the best lesson of our life. As the quote say, mistakes are proof that you are trying. Hello, everyone. My name is Danisha and I'm 13 years old from Teens Public Speaking Bangsa South. There are something that's happened unintentionally and without knowledge of a human being. The only way mistake can be avoided is never do anything. Therefore, in my opinion, it is necessary to make mistake. But the question here is that when the mistake made by us that unintentionally hurt the people around us, is it the right thing to be done then? The reason as to why it is necessary to make mistake is that mistakes are a learning experience for us. We learn about ourselves through our mistake and even know how to become a better citizen for the society. At one time, when I lied to my closest friend, whether unintentionally or unintentionally, I don't feel good about it. But when she find out the truth, she are the most hurt as I break her trust. At that time, I don't really realize my mistake. But when the same thing happened to me, I realized the real mistake I had done to her sometimes back. But I quickly apologized to her as soon as possible before things become worse. I only realized this mistake when I went through the same situation. This incident was necessary as I actually realized my mistake and I know that I will never repeat the same mistake again. As I also felt the same pain and know the exact consequences of the mistake. Another turbulent time that taught me through failure was when I tried to arrange a birthday party for my sister. Everything was supposed to be arranged by me. So I went out to buy the invitation cards, party favors, balloon, decoration, food, and a few gifts. I filled out the invitation early and put them in a box to store them until I was ready to send them. Time flew by fast, and before I knew it, the day of the party was upon me. Quickly that morning, I decorated and cooked everything. As the hour of the party came and went, no one showed up but the birthday girl who had a call personally. Later, it occurred to me that I hadn't sent out the invitation. That's why no one came. I soon learned from that mistake to be more organized and manage my time better when planning events. I learned that mistake will happen regardless place, time, or day. Mistake mean that we are trying and doing something. It strengthens us and makes us smarter and more empathetic to others people's mistakes. Thank you.